Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my assembly. In order to make it a true assembly, right now my car body is actually in bodies. This is just, I've been adding things to it. I'm going to make it a true assemblage, meaning I'm going to change that car body into a component. So I'm going to come up here to the browser. Under bodies, I'm going to go to create components from body, and then I'm going to name that body. Alright, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my wheel. I never made it plastic. It's actually going to be ABS plastic, so I'm going to come down here to the wheel, and it's inserted in there, so I'm going to hit this little pencil, and I'm just going to edit it right here in place. I don't want to revert position. Instead, I want to capture position. I want it to stay where it is. Spinning for a second. Alright, now I'm going to go modify physical material. I'm going to make it ABS plastic. And then close, and then finish edit in place, and then all wheels. And the wheel back in my data panel has also been changed. So now I am righteous on my materials, and everything is a component. This is going to set up the exploded assembly. Oops. If I want to, I just made that a component, so I could right click and pin that, and now, this one isn't, oh yeah, it is moving. So this is all done now. I'm ready to explode it.